guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany if you're new here, and it's been a minute since we've done a vlog, so I figured that this weekend would be a great one to do another vlog in. This weekend we have the Freedom 500 at the Freedom Factory on Friday. It's a lot of F's. Saturday we have Cletus and Cars, and then Sunday we have Summer Vibes, which I'm pretty sure the last vlog that I did was actually at Summer Vibes. Right now we are at 7th Gear Exotics in Tampa, Florida. They do exotic car rentals, and I am sitting in a blue Urus. Look at how sick this interior is. Anyways, it is Thursday, March 30th right now, and we're gonna get kicked off for a great weekend. So got a lot of preparation to do today, tonight, so that way we are ready to go tomorrow morning. So let's go get started. Normally we started off at Starbucks, but I figured this was a fantastic place to get started. Let's go. So last night I got home and I had a wicked headache. I didn't do anything to prepare for today. It is Friday. It is the Freedom 500 day at the Freedom Factory. And really cool event. Travis Pastrana's racing, Von Gittin Jr. is racing, Amanda Sorensen, Leah Block. I mean, it's just like an incredible race to watch. Starby picking up our pre-track drink. Time to head to the Freedom Factory. It's about 1 o'clock right now, I think it's a little after like 12:30, something like that. So we should get there in like an hour. Trying not to get taken out by another car. Slight fail. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm sitting here because I don't want to have to put my clutch in and out. I can't flip it around. There's traffic, and I've been sitting here for probably 20 minutes. And I'm just waiting for the traffic to die down a little bit to get out of the Freedom Factory. That's how many people were here. Like, it was insane, and I'm so happy. Cletus won, so that's really, really cool. He's going to be giving away the Ariel Atom, which I think is super great. I look crazy because of this lighting, but yeah. So anyways, I don't really know how much I filmed today. Probably not very much because I always forget. I'm trying to get better at it, but I figure something's better than nothing. And we'll be right back out here tomorrow for Cletus and Cars. I think we're gonna get here like in the afternoon because I don't think it starts until 4, but I could be wrong. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling tomorrow. And then Sunday, we are going to do summer vibes in Ybor. Yeah, I love driving slow summer vibes. But I got a little sun, a lot sun, and yeah, I'm ready to blow this popsicle stand. I need a shower. Good morning. It is Saturday, April Fool's Day, April 1st, 2023. Today we are doing Cletus and cars. I am exhausted from yesterday because I think it's from the sun. I also didn't put on sunscreen, so I'm a little rosy, but that's okay. Also, if you guys are watching this and you're going, wait, did she dye her hair? Because her hair's a lot blonder than the last video. The sun did this, which I'm here for it, but I did not dye my hair. I never have dyed my hair. Oh, we're off topic. So I am at Starbucks. Hoping this saves me. I'm kind of gonna have like an easy morning on myself, or at least I'm gonna try. And just casually head down to the track. I think I'm gonna stop somewhere for food beforehand. I really want something like healthy, but I can't think of anything around here that's healthy. Everything's like in the opposite direction. Like Sweet Green would be great. Fresh Kitchen would be great. But I don't think that there's anything between Apollo Beach and the track that is healthy. I know there's Chipotle, which I might get Chipotle. But at the same time, I'm like, that's still like, if I eat that entire bowl, it's 1,000 calories. But it's so good. It's like worth it. Yeah, I was gonna say something else. I don't really know what. I don't really know how this vlog's going, but I'm trying. I'm trying to get back into it. And I also really need to get a vlog camera. Because I feel like a lot of the times I don't vlog because I use my phone for everything. So yeah, let's go get this April Fool's Day started. I am not ready for the pranks and stuff. There's already a couple that have happened and I was like, wait, you guys are getting a divorce? But no. It's just April Fool's Day and I'm really tired, so let's get this. Okay, so we are on the way to the Freedom Factory. I'm about probably 20 minutes away right now. I got some snacks, some pizzas, some water. Yeah, I'm really excited for today. It's about probably like a little after 2 right now, maybe a little bit before. I don't know, it's like 2 o'clock. And the burnout started at 4, so we're gonna get there at like the perfect time.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
tires blown, air coolers smoked, but it's only like $50 worth of parts. We'll be alright.
Not a raggedy turn then.
Yeah, I saw you hit hard, bud. Did you kiss your steering wheel? Wow. Alright, well, let's get these boys pulled off. It's gonna be good. Let's pull them out.
Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, April 2nd, 2023, and I am at Starbucks. I am a little toasty from this weekend, and I'm also very tired. But today is summer vibes, and I've gone every single year leading up to this year. I think that it's been an Ebor. I don't really feel like going today. I have a bunch of other things that I need to do and want to do, but I still feel like I should go out there and support, so probably gonna go back home. I'm at Starbucks right now, I don't know if I said that, and get ready for the day, go run my errands, and then I might stop by Ebor and show you guys at least like what it's like. But I was so excited for it, and I don't know, I kind of feel not so great. I kind of feel not so great now, so we'll see. But Cletus and cars was a lot of fun. Freedom 500, obviously, always fun. I'm just beat, and I have a very busy week ahead of me leading up to Street Heat. So yeah, I guess I'll kind of show you guys what I'm doing today. I'm gonna go see my dad in St. Pete. I live in Apollo Beach. So what was that? Oh my god, no way, what is that? There's like a wasp in my car right now. I don't know what to do. Okay, so I'm probably going to drive home and open up all my doors and leave them open so that way this little guy can get the F out of my car. I gotta get going. See you guys in a little bit. So I don't know what that is. It's not a wasp though. But I kind of don't want to drive my car with this thing in my car. What? Ew, what is that? Okay. On this side. My trusty Starby straw, where'd it go? Oh my god. It's looking at me right now like it wants to fight me. He's rubbing his little hands together. Ew, get out of my car, get out. I need to like prop you guys up so that way I can have both of my hands, because this is, where did he go? I don't see him. I guess we're gonna drive. I guess. Oh my god. If I die, it's because of this stupid ass phone. So I can hear it buzzing around back there, and I have to just drive because I cannot wait for this thing to get out of my car. So gross. So I came to St. Pete to see my dad. I just got done with that. Now, we'll see where we end up. I might go to Summer Vibes, I might not. I don't know. It's probably about like 1 o'clock right now. I don't have a clock anywhere near me, but we'll see. At some point we gotta eat something. So I came home. I didn't go to Summer Vibes. I went to Davis Island. I picked up a smoothie and a brookie. Ooh, I almost dropped it. And then I went to Publix on my way home, and I grabbed stuff to make like taco salad and tacos, and just kind of gonna meal prep and have like a lot of probably like lean ground beef this week, because that's just what I'm feeling. And it's 2:46 right now, so it's pretty late in the day. I haven't really eaten because I had the smoothie and I had like a couple bites of the brookie, but I was really just saving it for later. Hi, Julie. And I am going to clean my house. Hi. She wants me to acknowledge her. I'm gonna clean my house because it needs to be done. I'm gonna kind of do like a Sunday reset, and just get ready for the week, because there's street heat on Saturday. So I want to make sure that my space is clean, so that way I can focus on that, and also make sure that I'm able to work on that, because I can't believe it's less than a week away already. I know. So I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna work, and then I'm gonna go work out. So yeah, it's a pretty solid Sunday. I'm disappointed that I didn't get to go to Summer Vibes this year a little bit. Like, I'm sad that I didn't make it, but it's okay. I'm happy that everybody had a great time. I was exhausted, and when I go down there, I drink, and I just didn't feel like drinking this weekend, so that's just where we're at. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm like contemplating it, but we'll see. I'll pop back in if I'm ending it here.